While most people start their day by opening a laptop, the bin boy team are already hours in. Before sunrise, they're on the move, hauling bins through laneways and quiet streets. It's not glamorous work, but it's the kind that keeps the city running, long before anyone notices. At Bin Boy, hard work isn't just part of the job, it is the job. It's the early mornings, the repetition, done with pride and done right. These guys don't get to work from home. They don't clock off when it rains, and they don't get thanked all that often. But they show up every single day with the same grit, the same banter, and the same drive to get it done. Because for the Bin Boy crew, it's not about recognition. It's about doing the work that no one else wants to do and doing it better than anyone else. In a world that's gone soft on effort, they're a reminder that real work still matters, that showing up, doing your bit, and taking pride in the small things is what keeps everything else moving. And speaking of hard work, today's job might just be one of the toughest they do. This is the Bin Boy way, and this is the elevator job. Before the city wakes, the truck reverses into the alley. No crowd, no traffic, just a job to get done. Another truck rolls up with the rest of the crew. To add more moving parts to the job, the site runs multiple waste streams, general waste and commingle recycling, so it all has to be timed and managed to perfection. Vinny's been here before. He knows exactly what this job asks for. Before the first bin rolls, he walks the crew through the loading dock leveller. It's time for the crew to head up and see the job at hand.
Yeah, I'm in the city tomorrow. Yeah, I'm in the city.
The service lift only takes 3 bins at a time. Everything runs in cycles, 3 up, 3 down. And with so many bins to empty, the crew has their work cut out for them.
This is a nightmare.
Vinny has spotted some hard waste on site. He jumps on the phone to confirm what's happening with it, and the call comes back clear. The boys are taking it.
I went mezzanine, number 1, take them around.
Yeah, we'll just take the stuff that you guys need.
And we can do these, but we'll give you some hard waste.
Just this, but not that. But these, try and get them in the bowl.
And run
And don't crush them here.
Yeah, run it down the street time.
Yeah.
How do you stay so calm, Vinny?
I don't know.
Wayne's quite notorious for getting stuck on this job.
Bins stacked, hard waste in the mix, and the lift door won't stop trying to shut on them. It's a juggle every trip.
But you're used to it now. Sorta.
Yeah. The next bin room. We've got the car pads.
Yes.
So you've got more bins.
How many?
Yeah, so we'll just move these out and go together.
This is punishment. Welcome to Bin Boy. Is it down there as well? How many?
It gets so hot in here.
Can we just take a moment to appreciate how clean the boys leave these bin rooms? Have you seen whiter walls? Just saying. The crew slow it down through the corridors. No scraped paint, no clipped corners. Protecting the customer's building matters more than speed.
Man. It'd be alright if the lift was a bit bigger.
There's a hotel near the site, so Vinny calls it. No crushing pallets here. Keep the noise down, move it further away, then break it down.
That'll hold it down to you down. It's my first time doing this job, so I didn't even know about this. They're the lengths we go to. That's all.
When we come back down, I've got to move the ramp back in and the truck out, put it back out. Let's get some bins down.
Take 2 down.
Yeah. Because then while I move the ramp in the truck, you can bring the rest. And then when you get these out, you can come back down and
Yeah.
do those.
It turns into dockside Tetris. One truck edges out, the dock leveller folds back in, the recycling truck noses forward, ramp back out. Then bins start rolling again. Choreography in a laneway. If at this point you still think your local garbo just grabs a perfectly placed bin from the curb, hopefully this shows the reality. Multiple floors, tight lifts, hard waste on the fly, keeping the building intact while the clock's ticking. Out on the road they cop the beeps, the impatience, the I'm locked in stares, but this is the job. Move tons, stay safe, keep the city turning, even when nobody sees it. Spare a thought for the crew doing the hard yards before sunrise. This is Bin Boy. Real people, real work.